Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm. I hope you find something on our channel that will encourage you and inspire you on your journey. Be sure to give us a thumbs up, hit like and subscribe, and be sure to turn that little notifications bell on so you'll get notified every time a brand new video is uploaded. We hope to see you in each and every one. Thanks for watching. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Alright, so I'm fixing to show you what we're fixing to do. I got some help out here. Son and granddaughters are here, so I'm fixing to take y'all on another little tour of the garden while we got sunshine and it ain't coming a thunderstorm on me. So I'll show you what we're doing in the garden. He's going to help me right quick. Whew, okay, I'm going to get y'all a little closer to the garden and show that they're parking. So I'm going to show y'all a little bit more in the garden because now I can get in it without sinking. Sun is shining. He's going to help me run the tiller through the garden and get some of these weeds out because y'all don't like weeds. No, ma'am. Oh, no, sir. I don't like weeds, okay? Y'all, we use the tilling method. So I am a till person. If you want to be no-till, hey, that's fine. More power to you. The reason why we do tilling here is because our soil gets so dry and so hard and compacted that it doesn't get aerated like it should. We don't have a lot of earthworms, okay? That's our soil. We have to do the till method to aerate our soil and get as close to the plants as possible without nicking them, okay? But y'all, I'm a tiller. Okay, I'm a tilling person. I want my garden tilled. I want the weeds out. I want it fresh. So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to walk you through the garden. And I'm going to get closer to the plants because it's a good thing that I got out here a little bit yesterday when it was drying up a little, because I've noticed, y'all, be careful and watch your garden when your plants start emerging, okay? Because this is what's happening to mine, and I'm going to show you. Y'all, the rains keeps the bugs away for a little while, but y'all, and it washes the bugs and they go hide, okay? But the first minute that sun starts coming out, y'all, you know what the bugs are going to do? They're looking for food, and they're going to come to the first healthiest plants and leaves that they can find and start munching on them. So be careful after all the rains that you start keeping an eye on your plant for bugs. Y'all, I spray. Yes, I do, because and vigorously, okay? Sometimes we use neem oil. Sometimes, y'all, I will use an insecticide, okay? However, when it's harvesting season, we make sure we wash all of our produce thoroughly to get any residue off. Okay, so this is what I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you. After the rains, those bugs are going to come out with a vigor because they're hungry, okay? So yes, I did get out this morning with the granddaughters, and I just had time to just go through the garden and spray, okay? Then they started getting hot, and you know, there you go. So I'm like, okay, let's just stop. Let's go in, okay? Because kids can't take the heat like we can, okay? So that's all I had time to do this morning. But I got help that's going to be tilling and helping me get these weeds out. I can just go through here and nick some with the hoe, but like in areas where it needs the tiller run through it, he's going to help me with it. They're going to play in the shade, okay? So I'm going to turn you around and show you what you got to start looking for, because they will tear your plants up, okay? So I've sprayed to get the bugs off, but they came back with a vigor as soon as that sun started coming out. So I'll turn you around. See how they'll start eating on your plants? This is the green beans that the granddaughters planted, and they are so excited that their plants are coming up. I need to get some little grass that's coming up in between the plants, but they're growing good. Y'all see how they're going to grow up? And the vines are going to attach a hole to the fence. Okay. And then there's the other row. I sprayed them this morning. Let me get you up again. Okay. See? Them bugs are coming out with a vigor, y'all. All right. Here's one of our tomato plants. Okay. I'm going to have to trim that branch on the bottom because it's touching the ground, okay? This one, I need to put something around it, okay? I think that little deer got these two right here, but they're coming back. She just passes through. It's a little young one. She doesn't do a lot of damage, but I want her to stay out. We got to replace the battery in our solar panel. There we go. There's our peppers. They're coming on along fine. Okay, there's all the way down there, the green beans, both sides of the fence. So we've really got 2 rows. But y'all, I just don't like weeds. Okay, now this is our butternut squash coming up. See that little sprout? See that one? See that one? This row is butternut squash all the way down. See, I've got weeds coming out. Now, after we till, he may get a little bit done of it today. And it may take us a couple of days to run the tiller through here. I don't expect him to do this whole garden. So we may do 2 or 3 rows at a time till it all gets tilled. And then I will let you see what it looks like freshly tilled. I love it. And then you can see all your plants. This is pumpkin. We had, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One plant didn't come up, but we've got 5 plants, and that was all the seeds I had. The rest of the row is watermelon going down, the 2 kinds of watermelon I planted. Here is our zucchini. Look at this whole row of zucchini plants. Look at that. All right, this is squash. See all those plants going down that one row. Here is our okra and onions. And the rest, y'all, is 3 different kinds of corn. See the 6 rows? 1, 2, well, 1. I'm going to see if I can put I can't see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 rows of corn. It's coming on good. Now, we've noticed that peaches and cream grows really fast. And that's what these 2 rows are right here. See how these 2 are growing faster? The peaches and the cream. These 2 rows are growing faster than the rest of them. Y'all, it's just your seeds, okay? Different varieties grow different ways. Some may grow faster. Yeah, I don't have lightning after me this time. And a rainstorm, okay? So, all right, let's see. Down here, my sunflowers are coming up. This is my sunflowers. I see little patches where maybe some late seeds will come up later. Yeah, now see, the grass, this is probably the reason why the fence is not charging as good, because I've got to get dear hubby to run the weed eater up under this last wire all the way around and get the weeds off the wire. That will cause your fence not to charge properly. And then we're going to control it with weed killer. Okay? So, this is our garden so far, y'all. I told you it was growing good, but I don't like weeds, y'all. I just don't. Can't stand them. Okay, so we've got, he's going to run the tiller through for me just a couple of rows. I told him, I said, can I borrow you just for about 30 minutes? Give me 30 minutes and help me get some of these weeds out. Then I'm going to just go through here and get out like some away from the plants so it doesn't rob all the nutrients. Okay, so y'all, that's what it looks like. Keep control on your weeds and your bugs. If you don't keep a control, y'all, you can tell it's hot. Look, I'm going to take a second shower for the day, okay? If you don't keep control on the bugs and on your weeds, you're not going to have a harvest because they're going to eat your crop, and the weeds are going to suffocate your plants, and you're not going to get anything. So he's letting me finish so he can run the tiller, because if he cranks up that tiller, you won't be able to hear me. I'm almost done. Okay, so that is the tour of the garden as of right now, y'all. So, yeah. And then as more things grow, when we get this whole thing tilled, I will either do a little video or and to show you through it, or it may take us a couple of days to get everything tilled, and I will, if I don't get to video, I will get a picture and let you see what it looks like all nice and tilled and fresh and weed free. There you go. I love it. I love it. Okay, he's chomping at the bits because he needs to get these girls home and they need to get supper for the night and get settled down. So, okay, I'm done. I will see y'all in the next video.